Intermittent fasting, the shocking reasons why it fails every time. Hey there. So you've heard all about the wonders of intermittent fasting, right? Celebrities are doing it, your next-door neighbor's doing it, heck, even your grandma might be doing it. But guess what? It doesn't always work for everyone. Shocking, I know. In this video, we'll dive into the top 10 mind-blowing reasons why intermittent fasting fails every time for some folks. You won't believe some of these. Ready to have your mind blown? Let's go. Number 1. Not everyone can fast like a pro. Now, imagine this scenario. You're a couple of hours into your fasting window and suddenly you feel a growl in your stomach. Your brain starts screaming for food, and you start thinking about all the delicious things you could be eating. Sounds like a familiar scene from your favorite dystopian novel, doesn't it? Well, not everyone is cut out to be a fasting warrior, and that's okay. For some people, hunger is a significant challenge when it comes to intermittent fasting. There are numerous reasons why you might find it difficult to manage hunger, including genetic factors, hormonal imbalances, or even personal habits. So what's the key to overcoming hunger and conquering the fasting world like a true pro? Start by identifying and addressing the factors contributing to your hunger. And remember to be patient with yourself. Developing an individualized fasting plan that suits your needs and abilities can make a world of difference in your intermittent fasting journey. Number 2. The one-size-fits-all fallacy. When your fasting plan doesn't fit. Intermittent fasting has become increasingly popular, and numerous fasting protocols promise incredible results. However, it's essential to remember that one-size-fits-all approaches rarely work in the complex world of nutrition and health. Just because a specific fasting plan has worked wonders for your friend or favorite celebrity doesn't necessarily mean it's the right fit for you. Let's dive into why the one-size-fits-all fallacy can lead to intermittent fasting failure and how to find a plan tailored to your individual needs. Each person has a unique body chemistry, which influences how they respond to fasting protocols. Factors like age, gender, genetics, and hormone levels can significantly impact your body's ability to adapt to a fasting plan. What works well for someone else may not be effective for you, so it's crucial to consider your individual circumstances and listen to your body. To overcome the one-size-fits-all fallacy, start by reflecting on your unique circumstances, goals, and preferences. Consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have a pre-existing medical condition or take medication. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fasting protocols and adjust them as needed to find the one that works best for you. Remember, the most effective fasting plan is the one you can stick to and enjoy, so don't settle for a one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to your health. Number 3. Fasting feast. Gorging like there's no tomorrow. Picture this. You've just completed a challenging fasting window, and now it's time to eat. In your mind, you've earned the right to devour everything in sight. After all, you've been so good during your fast. But hold up. This approach of gorging like there's no tomorrow can quickly derail your intermittent fasting goals. Let's explore why this mindset is problematic and what you can do to avoid falling into this tempting trap. While intermittent fasting can help you reduce your overall calorie intake, it doesn't mean you should go overboard during your eating window. Overeating to compensate for the calories you didn't consume during fasting can negate the benefits of fasting, such as weight loss and improved metabolic health. Instead, aim to eat a balanced, satisfying meal that fulfills your nutritional needs without exceeding your daily caloric goals. To avoid the pitfalls of gorging, start by planning your meals mindfully and focusing on nourishing your body with high-quality foods. Be conscious of your hunger and fullness cues, and don't treat your eating window as a free pass to indulge uncontrollably. Developing a healthy and sustainable approach to eating is key to making intermittent fasting work for you in the long run. Number 4. The sneaky snack attack, when boredom strikes. Ever caught yourself raiding the fridge when you're bored, even during a fasting window? We've all been there. Those sneaky snacks can creep up on you and wreck your fasting progress. The trick is to stay busy and avoid boredom-induced munchies. Number 5. Drinking your calories. It's a common misconception that intermittent fasting means solely focusing on what you eat during your feeding window. But have you ever considered what you're drinking? Many people unknowingly consume a significant number of calories through beverages, which can sabotage their fasting efforts. Let's discuss why drinking your calories is a fasting faux pas and how to make better beverage choices to support your goals. Liquid calories add up quickly. Beverages like soda, fruit juices, energy drinks, and fancy coffee concoctions are often loaded with calories and sugars. It's easy to consume a substantial number of calories without even realizing it. These liquid calories can hinder your weight loss goals and negatively impact your overall health. Instead, opt for low or zero-calorie drinks like water, herbal tea, or black coffee. To dodge the fasting faux pas of drinking your calories, start by replacing sugary and calorie-dense beverages with healthier alternatives. Prioritize hydration and choose drinks that not only quench your thirst, but also contribute positively to your overall health. Being mindful of what you're drinking is just as important as what you're eating during your fasting journey, so make every sip count. Number 6. Poor sleep wrecks your fasting. Picture this. You're tossing and turning, unable to catch some sleep, and now your fasting plan seems like mission impossible. Newsflash, sleep matters, folks. Poor sleep affects hunger hormones, making fasting harder than solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Prioritize your sleep, and you might just find fasting a walk in the park. Number 7. Stress, the fasting foe you didn't see coming. Let's face it, we all have a little stress-zilla lurking inside us. But did you know stress can sabotage your fasting efforts? It's true. When stress levels skyrocket, so do cortisol levels, which can trigger hunger and cravings. So next time you're about to Hulk out, take a deep breath and relax. Your fasting success depends on it. Number 8. Exercising without enough fuel. Who doesn't love a good workout? But wait, can you do it on an empty stomach? Intermittent fasting and exercise can be a tricky combo. Imagine running a marathon without any water breaks. Yikes! To avoid the workout wobble, find the right balance between fasting and fueling your body for exercise. Your muscles will thank you. Number 9. Fad fasting. Trendy diets aren't always best. You know those shiny, trendy diets that promise you the moon and stars? They might look alluring, but sometimes they're just not sustainable. If you're hopping on the intermittent fasting bandwagon just because it's fashionable, you might be setting yourself up for failure. The key is finding what works best for you, and that might not be the latest fad. Number 10. Unrealistic expectations. Picture yourself transforming into a fitness model overnight thanks to intermittent fasting? Sounds amazing, right? But let's be honest, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your dream body. Having unrealistic expectations can lead to disappointment and failure. Remember, patience and persistence are your allies in the fasting game. So there you have it, folks. The top 10 shocking reasons why intermittent fasting might not work for some people. But don't let these pitfalls discourage you. With the right mindset and a tailored approach, you can unlock the fasting superpowers you never knew you had. If you found this video enlightening, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe for more fasting facts and hacks. And don't forget to leave a comment below. We want to know your thoughts and experiences with intermittent fasting. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in our next video.